Hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. Our family renovates houses. And today we're going to show you how to fix a lamppost that stays on all the time. Now, if you have a lamppost that won't come on at all, there's probably something wrong with the sensor that's inside of there. We made another video and we'll put a link to it right there so you can check that out to fix that problem. But today's solution is so incredibly easy, you're going to be very pleased when you find out how easy it is. I mean, one option would be I'd go in there and I would replace the sensor. It's not an incredibly difficult job, but it's not super fast or easy either. So what we're going to do instead, we're just going to replace the light bulb itself with this GE Dusk to Dawn light bulb. We're Amazon affiliates and we're going to put a link in the description below so you can order this Dusk to Dawn light bulb right from Amazon. So all you have to do is remove the retaining screw that holds your lamppost housing together. And then just remove the top. And then you can unscrew the bulb that's in there. And now we're going to simply replace it with this Dusk to Dawn bulb. Okay, so that's on now, but it's going to figure out that it's light out and it will shut off. All right, so there we've screwed it in and it is not illuminated, which means our lamppost is fixed. All right. So how many house barons does it take to screw in a light bulb? Just one. When you first put the bulb in, it'll probably remain illuminated, so don't panic. Just trust that it's going to work. Go inside and go do something else, and then look out there a couple minutes later. If it's daytime, your bulb will then turn off just like it's supposed to. Woohoo! Check it out. This is the same day. It's the evening. The light went out during the day and now it's illuminating for the night. So hurrah! Couldn't be an easier DIY solution. All right, so if you're having the exact opposite problem where your lamppost won't light at all, be sure to check out our other video to show you how to replace the sensor. That's the light sensor that's in the lamppost. All right, hope you got something out of the video. If you did, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out our channel and we appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.